So I'm up on the roof again today, just trying to get rid of some more of this moss and try and find where some of the leaks are coming from. I'd rather spend my money on doing nice things inside the house rather than paying a roofer to do this. So yeah, giving it a go myself between a wire brush and power hose. Being careful not to damage any tiles, obviously. It's not too bad because there's a flat roof I can climb up onto, so I don't have a big drop. It's quite safe. You can see the gutters and the valleys are completely full of moss, and I think that's definitely part of the problem. Nice day for it though. It's going well. Very wet and very muddy. Don't think this was the right colour top to wear. It's just mud. Washes off. There's my sheepy. Enjoying some field time. Okay, so I'm onto the ridge of the roof now. Just trying to get these hard to reach bits. Nearly there. Hopefully find the problem underneath somewhere up here. Definitely looking a lot better. There's so many bits of uneven spaces and tiles, and there's a hole here which is probably above the leak, which is probably about there underneath the roof. I don't know if that could be the source. That just looks like a complete hole on the ridge. What a beautiful day to be on a roof. Remind me to wear padded shorts next time and look out for the sharp bits on the roof. So I'm just going to start out with a bit of it to give this a try. I've been told 3 parts building sand to 1 part of cement. So I'll just mix up a little bit first of all. Now I do have a proper mixer attachment for my gel bites at another property. So today it's going to be a wooden spoon. So I'm baking a cake. My kind of bacon, a splash of this, a splash of that, and now for some water just to get the consistency workable. So after taking all the moss off the tiles, I've had it confirmed by a professional roofer that I do indeed just need to replace the full roof, which is what I was suspecting but hoping might not be the case just yet. Because I've got active leaks, I do want to do a temporary repair, so I'm going to try and repair some of these holes that I can see that are quite obvious, and just hope that we can temporarily stop the leak until I can get this new roof, because that's going to take me a bit of time. So I've never done this before, but I have mixed up some builder sand and cement 3 to 1 into a paste. And I'm just going to apply that into the holes I can see that are quite obvious, and hope that that just buys me some time to at least stop the water getting into my daughter's bedroom. I know this is not a permanent solution, but it's something I can hopefully do myself to save some money and stop the water leaking. Right, here goes. Now I know a wooden spoon is not the correct instrument to use. I do have trowels, but they're at another property just now, so I am improvising with my wooden spoon. I know this is far from perfect, but the roof is going to come off in a few months, and so this is just to keep me going meantime. I mean, that's quite a big juicy hole that I could fill in my amateur way with a wooden spoon and my fingers. Okay, so I have tried to do some temporary repairs up here. They're absolutely not the prettiest or the best job in the world. Probably the worst job in the world, anyway, roofer has ever seen, but let's just hope it keeps the rain out for now.